Is Kajabi worth it? That is a question that a lot of people ask when they're looking into this platform, and that may be where you are. Maybe you have an online business, or you're looking to get into selling courses online or having a membership site, and you got so many options. There's Teachable for hosting online courses, and there's Mail Chimp for doing your email, and there's WordPress or Squarespace for doing your website. And maybe you have all of those pieces and you're wondering if Kajabi would be right for you to put all those things together under one roof and start using one platform that does all of it. I want to help you fully understand everything you're getting with Kajabi, because if you just look at the pricing page, you might go, oh my gosh, this is kind of expensive. But if you understand fully every single thing you're getting with Kajabi and how easily it integrates together, what we're gonna see is that Kajabi is not only worth it, but in my opinion, it's an incredible value. In other words, I think it could be 2 or 3 or 4 times what it cost, and it would still be completely worth it. So I'm gonna try to show you that in today's video. This is gonna be really helpful, especially if you're trying to decide whether or not Kajabi is for you, whether you're new to online business or switching to get everything under one roof and in the same platform. So before we get started, if you wanna try out Kajabi, you can use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, and you get the free trial that Kajabi offers, but you also get something special just from me, and this is exclusive to my link. I'm gonna give you my $25,000 course launch email template. This is the exact set of emails that I used and the philosophy behind the type of launch that I do that earned me $25,000 over 3 launches just in the first few months of having Kajabi for my very first course. I was still new to online business, but I was able to make $25K in a matter of a few months, and it was just amazing to me. It like kind of blew me away. So I want to put that in your hands as a way to say thank you for using my link below, which is an affiliate link, so it does help to support this channel. So if you get value out of this video and you're gonna try out Kajabi anyway, then use my link below. I'd appreciate that so much. But even if you don't, I still want to show you to help you make a decision as to whether Kajabi is right for you. So let's dig in to Kajabi. A good place to start is here on the pricing page. So basically, when it comes to Kajabi pricing, you have these 3 options. You have basic, you have growth, and you have pro. I think for most people, basic or growth is gonna be everything you need for a good long time, especially growth. So what I wanna do, I'm on growth. I wanna go through what you get on the growth plan, and we'll compare it to pro, and we'll compare it to basic, and you'll get an idea of what these things are and what you're getting for the money. The first thing they list is the 15 products. Now what this is think of a product like an online course, a membership site, a mini course, a coaching program, all the different things that you're doing with Kajabi, those are considered products. In my product suite, which I talk about right up here, I actually have 5 products. And I've got a pretty extensive product suite so far. And when I say product suite, that means within my online business, the amount of products or courses or offerings like paid coaching that I offer, I've got 5 packaged products, which I think is a pretty good suite. And there's definitely people who have way more than that and some that have less, but it's working for me so far. And what I'm getting at here is I've got a pretty good size suite of products, and I still have a good buffer. I've got 10 left before I'm maxing this out. 15 pipelines. So a pipeline, think of that like a funnel. So one of the things that Kajabi replaces, as well as all the things that I mentioned, your email like Convertkit or Mail Chimp, Squarespace, WordPress, Teachable, or Thinkific, those kind of things. In addition to all those, it also replaces things like ClickFunnels or lead pages, because within Kajabi, you can do your marketing. You can do complete sales funnels, and in Kajabi, they're called pipelines, and you get 15 of them. And I'm telling you, that is plenty, because the other thing you get is unlimited landing pages. Now, what this is your landing pages is basically any page on your website. So you can set up a landing page as a sales page. It can be one of the many pages that you have on your website, like it could be your home page, it could be your about page. But typically, when you think about landing pages, you think about the page that someone lands on and they're presented with an offer, right? So I have a landing page like lanesebring.com/Kajabi is one of my landing pages, right? So when you go to that link, it's going to take you to a landing page that I built, and you can click from there to try out Kajabi. So you get an unlimited amount of landing pages. So landing pages and pipelines kind of work together. A pipeline might be something that takes people from an opt-in on a landing page where they put in their name and email. Then it takes them through a sequence of getting a set of emails and then offering them a product. And all of these are packaged within Kajabi, which is really cool. And some of them are completely pre-made and you just put in your content and it's all done for you. It's pretty awesome. I have a playlist, by the way, on Kajabi. You can check it out right here, where I walk through in some of those videos exactly how that works. If you look at my Kajabi review video. Unlimited marketing emails. Essentially, this is completely replacing your email marketing. So for me, I was paying about $50 to host my email marketing on Convertkit, and this completely did away with that. The email marketing on this is outstanding. You can tag, you can segment, you can do all the things that you do in all of the other email marketing platforms, and it's unlimited, and it's actually unlimited on all plans, which is pretty cool. 25,000 contacts. These are the people that are on your email list. So for a lot of people, if you have less than 10,000 and you're only going to do 3 products, then maybe basic would be fine. If you have more than that and you want to balloon up to 25, then this would be what you would need. 10,000 active members. This means that people who have actually paid for a product, you can have up to 10,000 of them. And they actually have to be active within your products to be considered an active member. So they might be a member and you can have as many of them as you want, but you can only have 10,000 active at a time. For most people, it's going to be a good long time before a $10,000 cap on members is hit. You get 1 website on growth. If you need more, you can bump up to pro and get up to 3. Website has your home page, your blog, your landing pages, your about page, all that. And you can have up to 10 admin users. Admin users are people other than you who can manage your Kajabi along with you. So again, I'm here on growth, which is pretty nice. Next, you get a set of these features. First is Kajabi University. This is really helpful, especially when you're just jumping onto Kajabi. One of the things that Kajabi does is they have an incredible suite of resources and training that help you succeed on Kajabi. I know when I was building out my Kajabi website and landing pages and courses, I used that stuff all the time. It was awesome. 0% transaction fees. This is one of the biggest reasons why these prices, you have to understand them in context. Because even though you might be able to get, like Teachable, for example, has a $97 option. So you might look at this and say, well, wait a second, I can be on Teachable for $97. But setting aside the fact that Teachable doesn't have email marketing, and Teachable doesn't have a whole lot of the features that Kajabi offers. Setting that aside, even the difference between hosting your courses for $119 versus $97, Teachable has transaction fees until you get to a much more expensive plan. So on Teachable, you're going to be paying 5% transaction fees on those lower plans, like the $39 one. And here you never have transaction fees on any plan, which is pretty cool. Webinars and events, so you can do live webinars, which is really cool. It's all integrated within Kajabi. Ready to use templates. This means that whether it's your website, your landing page, your pipeline, they've got templates that they've made that they know work, which is pretty cool. Quizzes and surveys, they call them assessments here in Kajabi, but if you want your lead magnet to be like an assessment or a quiz for your people, you can do that. There's 24/7 chat support on the Growth and Pro plan, and then there's chat support on the basic plan that's not as fast, but it's still pretty fast. You can do advanced automations on the Growth plan. There's automations on all plans, but on Growth and Pro, you get advanced automations. This is just another level of being able to tag and segment and organize people within your system so that if they take this action or they click on that email or they download this product or they opt into this lead magnet, you're able to kind of organize it really, really well. Ability to remove Kajabi branding. This is pretty standard with most of these platforms where when you get the higher end, you're able to remove the Kajabi branding and you can have affiliates. And then with Pro, you can edit the code, which is not an issue for me because I don't know how. So that's the nitty gritty of what you're actually getting for the price. To really understand whether Kajabi is completely worth it, you have to put these prices in context. So I want to show you exactly what Kajabi replaced for me in my online business. And overall, I'm saving about $2,000 a year over what I used to spend on all of these different tools. And I'm going to show you that in this video. So click right there and I'll see you in that video, the 5 reasons why I switched to Kajabi. And in that, I'm going to break down exactly every single thing that Kajabi replaced. And you'll see even more why Kajabi provides so much value for the price. So click on that video and I'll see you in that one.